Welcome to the Python list tutorial. In this guide, we'll explore the fundamentals of working with lists in Python. To begin, let's create a list. Imagine we have a list of fruits: apples, oranges, mangoes, and avocados. To represent this in Python, we'll type the following. Fruits equals apple, orange, mango, avocado. Now let's print out the list. To print it, we type print fruits. Then we run our program. You can see the list is printed out in the terminal. To print only the items in our list, we can iterate them. To iterate through elements of a list, we can use a for loop. So let's type for fruit in fruits, print fruit. So the fruits printed in a column. If we want to print each fruit on same line, we can use and equals method. Now it printed in same row. Now, let's delve into accessing elements within this list. If we want to retrieve the first fruit, we use indexing. For example, first fruit equals fruits 0. The index of first item is 0, so it prints apple. Similarly, to get the last fruit, we use negative indexing. Last fruit equals fruits minus 1. Index of last item is minus 1, now it prints avocado. Moving on to slicing, we can extract a subset of the list. Let's say we want a selection of fruits from position 1 to position 2. Fruits 1:3. That printed orange and mango. Lists are mutable, meaning we can modify them. Suppose we decide to change mango to banana. Here's how we do it. Fruits 2 equals banana. So, now instead of mango there is banana in the list. Expanding our list is easy. We can add a single element, like grape, using the append method. Fruits.append grape. That added grape at the end of the list after avocado. Alternatively, we can extend the list with multiple elements, such as kiwi and pineapple. New fruits equals kiwi, pineapple. Fruits.extend new fruits. You can see the list has new 2 fruits now. Removing elements is also straightforward. Let's say we want to remove the second fruit, which is orange, either by using pop or remove. Let's type removed fruit equals fruits.pop1. The pop method removes the item at the given index and also returns the removed item's name. So let's print fruits list and removed item. Then it prints our list without the fruit orange, and after a space we can see the returned fruit, which is orange. The next method is remove method. Fruits.remove orange. It also removes the orange and prints our list like in the pop method. To check if a specific fruit, let's say mango, is in our list, we use the in operator. If it's present, we print a message confirming its existence, otherwise, we print a message stating it's not found. I believe you're familiar with if statements. I will do a video about if-else statements in the future, so stay tuned to my channel. We use fstring to print out our variable named searched fruit inside a string. So the output is mango found in the list. Let's try giving a fruit that doesn't exist in the list. So I type kiwi. And that prints kiwi not found in the list. Sorting and reversing the list are common operations. Sorting arranges elements in ascending order, and reversing flips the order. So, sorting Prince apple, avocado, mango, and orange. And reversing Prince, avocado, mango, orange, and apple. Lastly, finding the length of the list is simple. We use the len function to get the total number of fruits in our list. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video.